In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. If you ever want to browse without leaving a trail on your device, incognito mode is a quick way to do it. It prevents Chrome from saving your local browsing history, cookies, and form data after you close the window, which is handy on shared or public computers. Here's how to open it on Windows or a Chromebook. First, open Google Chrome like you normally would. Once Chrome is up, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. That opens the main Chrome menu. In that menu, choose New Incognito Window. As soon as you click it, a separate window opens specifically for private browsing. If you prefer using a shortcut, you can get there even faster by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard. That instantly launches a new incognito window without having to use the menu. Now, how do you know you're actually in incognito? The window will switch to a darker theme, and you'll see the incognito icon near the address bar. This visual change makes it easy to tell your private window apart from your regular browsing windows. You can have both open at the same time. Just remember that they keep data separately. While you're in incognito, Chrome won't keep a record of the pages you visit in your local browsing history, it won't keep cookies after you close the window, and it won't store things like autofill form entries from that session. That means when you close all incognito windows, any site data from that session is cleared. Keep in mind that if you download files or create bookmarks, those will still stay on your device because they're saved outside of your browsing session. A quick but important privacy note. Incognito mode is designed to hide your activity from other people who use the same device. It does not make you invisible online. Websites you visit, your employer or school's network, and your internet service provider may still be able to see your activity or track your IP address. If you need stronger privacy or security, consider solutions beyond incognito, such as a trusted VPN or secure networks, depending on your situation. To wrap up, open Chrome. Use the three-dot menu and select New Incognito Window or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N and look for the dark theme and incognito icon to confirm. When you're done, close all incognito windows to end the session. That's it. You're now ready to browse more privately on your device.